everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make tomato cream easily at home. This tomato cream is very effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion. It will also help you in fading away your dark spots, acne scars, blemishes and pigmentation problem, and will also help in tightening your sagging skin and remove all your fine lines and wrinkles from your face. This cream is 100% effective and is made up of 100% natural ingredients which will suit almost all skin types, and if you use this cream continuously then it will give you results within 3 to 5 days. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this 100% natural and effective tomato cream. So the first ingredient which we need is tomato juice, and if you don't know how to prepare tomato juice at home then don't worry, in just few seconds I'm going to tell you how to prepare tomato juice easily at home. After that we're gonna need honey, then we need rose water, after that we're gonna need almond oil, and if you don't have this oil then you can even use vitamin E oil. After that we need glycerin, and the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let me just firstly tell you how to prepare tomato juice easily at home. So to prepare the tomato juice you obviously gonna need a tomato. Just cut it into 2 halves. And then with the help of a grater, just grate it nicely to make a smooth and a pulpy mixture. And after grating the tomato, your tomato pulp will look like this. And now to smoothen out its consistency and to make it more runnier, I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon rose water in it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a slight mix to it, just to mix both the ingredients nicely. And now we are going to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer. Just strain this mixture nicely and take out all the tomato juice from it. And if you don't want to do this much mehnat, then you can also mess up your juicer and take out the juice of 1 tomato. So now after straining all the juice out from the tomato pulp, your tomato juice is ready and it will look like this. So now let me show you how to make tomato cream easily at home, which will lighten and whiten your skin complexion and will make your skin spotless, clear, blemish free, fair and glowing. So to prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 2.5 teaspoon tomato juice in a clean bowl. After that you have to add 1 teaspoon honey in it. Then after the honey you have to add 1 teaspoon glycerin in it. After that we'll add approx half a teaspoon almond oil in it. And if you are using the vitamin E capsules, then add 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules in it. And now after adding all these ingredients, just mix all the ingredients really nicely to make a smooth and a lump-free mixture. And now lastly, you have to add approx 2 to 3 tablespoon aloe vera gel in it. And here I am using the Patanjali Saundarya aloe vera gel, but you can use any aloe vera gel which you have. And after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your tomato cream is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be fluffy, lump-free and smooth, like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this cream. And the procedure to store this cream is very easy and simple. Just store this cream in any airtight container And here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. And you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This cream is highly effective and has so many benefits for your skin. This cream contains high amount of vitamin C and E, which is very beneficial for hydrating your skin. It makes your skin brighter, tighter and moisturized. This cream will also help to make your skin clear and blemish free, as the tomatoes, glycerin and honey have skin lightening and whitening properties that helps to clear blemishes, pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars, and also correct uneven skin tone. This natural remedy is better and more effective than expensive chemical-rich creams and ointments, as it works effectively within few days. And tomatoes have amazing anti-aging properties, which helps to reduce your sagging skin and also reduces wrinkles and fine lines on the face and makes your skin more glowing, radiant, youthful, fair and spotless. So now let me tell you the procedure to use this cream to get effective results within few days. So the method to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just need to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage this cream all over your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you a radiant, glowing and a youthful effect. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed, for at least 3 to 5 days to get best and effective results on your skin. And after using this cream for at least 3 to 5 days, you will notice that your skin have become more fairer, glowing, youthful, radiant and glowing. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.